Hey you guys, it's your girl Tori Aaliyah and I am back with another video. If this is your first time on this channel, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting. Now let's get into the video. I don't want no scrub. I don't want no scrub. Side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. So today I wanted to show you guys how to upload larger pictures into Instagram. So I might put it on the screen here, but on Instagram, let me record my screen. So on Instagram, when you go on there, you'll see people's pictures, and a lot of them don't know this, which I just found out about this as well, and I wanted to inform you. So you'll see pictures that are not full resolution for everyone. So let me find an example. A good amount of people are learning about it though. Oh, and also when you're uploading on Instagram, there are 3 different sizes that Instagram mainly works with. I will put them right here. So basically, in order to get the highest image quality, you can, or not image quality, the highest size for your picture to take up as much screen space as possible, the highest would be 8 by 10. And I'm gonna show you how to do that in this video. Okay, so you'll see a picture, a square picture. I think everyone knows about that. And then there's, let me go on my pictures. All right, so this is a picture I took recently, and as you can see, it's like a square. I think this is probably like a 4 by 5. But if you want your pictures to stand out more on Instagram, you could make it a lot larger in sense of increasing the length of your picture. So I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that. So I'm gonna choose a picture. All right, so I have a picture, and basically what you do to get this done is you go into your photos and you click edit, and then where you see the crop, you can go up to the top where it shows you different sizes, and what you want to do is go to the 8 by 10. So this is the largest you can this is the largest photo that you can do on Instagram. So while I know a lot of people take pictures horizontally, which is never a good idea for Instagram, try to always take it vertically so that you can maximize your photo size that way, because you can't do it horizontally. So basically when you go into here, you click the 8 by 10 and then you just save it. So now, once you go into Instagram, you can add your photo. So you would click add, and here is the photo. And as you can see, it doesn't show all of your picture. So what you do is you would zoom out. And I know you see the lines on the picture right now, but it won't look like that once you upload it. So you click next. And then you would upload it. Write your caption, upload it. I uploaded this picture already, so I'm not gonna upload it again, but I will show you how it looks in my post. So that's a pretty good size compared to my other photos, such as this one where it's more square, or these ones. I've seen people with such tiny pictures on Instagram where I'm just like, when you have pictures like that, you just want to skip through it, in my opinion. So when they're larger, they really do make a difference. If you want your profile to look really nice, or you want someone to stop and look at your photo when it's this huge photo taking up all this space, it looks a lot better. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel. Please click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned from it. If you have any other tips, please comment them down below so other people can see them. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye.